Hey, what's up? Alex here. Today is Earth Day and I just want to take this opportunity to bring some awareness and talk about how smart homes are not only able to help us humans in our everyday lives, but also saving the Earth. There has been increasing talks on climate change and achieving sustainability. There are initiatives worldwide about helping the environment. Singapore government also has this Smart Nation and SG Green Plan ongoing, coming out with various Go Green campaigns. Even workplaces, enterprises are looking at ways to reduce carbon footprint, and my company that I work for even come up with IT solutions to help achieve net zero. In Singapore, we can't be like in some overseas countries where houses can install those huge solar panels covering the entire rooftop tapping on solar energy, which I know for sure I will definitely get those if I'm staying there. What I want to say is there are still some energy efficient ways you can choose or things you can do with a smart home. For the first point that I want to share, we are going to head out and check out this place. While we make our way there, let's take a minute and check out the sponsor for today's video, which is also a perfect fit for the theme for today's video. One Good Card is a local Singapore company that sells these smart name cards to replace the traditional way of printing bulks of paper cards, which is definitely not environmental friendly. So the whole idea is, instead of keeping a small stack of cards with you all the time and distributing them to people you meet, now you only need to just carry one card with you. Whenever you need to share your contact, either tap the card on the person's phone or have them scan the QR code and that will bring up your profile page. Just one tap and they are able to save your contact details in their phone. Your profile page is fully customizable. You can put more information compared to a normal business card, including all your social links. You can also change and update your profile anytime, and there's no need to worry about running out of business cards and printing them anymore. I think this is a very good Go Green solution and more people and companies should adopt this. For more information on One Good Card, feel free to visit their website, link in the video description below. Over here at Live by City Energy, they carry lots of smart and green solutions such as gas water heaters, hob and hood, and built-in ovens. I chanced upon their products and feel that this is a good chance to share with everyone. Because not only are they smart and eco-friendly, I find the design looks really good and also very affordable. I checked out their website and found out that City Energy has been around for 160 years, founded as the Singapore Gas Company all the way back in 1861. Most Singaporeans might know them as City Gas. It is only last year 2021 City Gas transformed into City Energy. First off, you have gas heaters. I'm currently using one of these in my house. The smart gas water heater can be set to preheat up to 60 degrees Celsius while you sleep to ensure hot water in the pipes and save up to $119 per year with a gas-powered instantaneous water heater. This is a smart hob. I really like the design of this one with the black tempered glass. You have individual controls for each of the burner with real-time visuals on the app. You can set a countdown timer to switch them off. This is super useful to make sure not to overcook. Then next on top, you have a smart hood. Besides the standard on and off controls, you can also set the fan speed. The smart hood shares cleaning reminder and can be interlocked with the smart gas hob to turn on and off together. I love this automation because we always tend to underutilize the hood. There is also a built-in oven which can be set to run automatically with a simple tap. You also have the recipe function here to create and store your own recipe. This is super cool and very beginner friendly to use. Then lastly, you also have other devices like a gas detector and a smoke detector. These are smart as well, so imagine all of these can be paired with your smart lights and speakers to create some interesting automation. The appliances that I shared today are powered by piped down gas. This makes them a more eco-friendly and sustainable choice, as gas appliances are low carbon solutions. The app is based on the Tuya Smart Life ecosystem, so you can have it linked to your Google Home for voice control as well. Now back home, I'd like to share a couple of very straightforward ways that you can help to save energy with a smart home. The first is the use of smart plug sockets. These can help you to kill off power entirely and make sure devices that go on a standby mode like TV and speakers to stop consuming power. The best time to do that is when you're not at home or when you're sleeping, and it can also apply to any of your family members. For example, if you have kids and they went to school, then you can kill off all the connected devices in their room like their computer and gaming console. As for how to set these automations to shut down everything, there are really various ways to do it depending on the smart home platforms that you are using. You can set schedules which is based on a certain time of the day, Or you can manually trigger a voice assistant as well. These two are the more straightforward ones which everyone should be capable of setting them up. Then there are also more advanced automation options that you can set. For example, using geofencing, which is based on the location of your mobile phone to determine whether you are home or outside. Another way is to check whether your phone is connected to your home Wi-Fi. This will be more accurate to tell whether you are home, but you have to make sure that your house doesn't have any Wi-Fi dead spots. Next, within the house, you can make use of sensors like a motion sensor, contact sensor, or even a vibrating sensor. These sensors are extremely useful if the family has someone who is very forgetful. Usually, these will allow you to switch off certain devices when the sensor has not detected activity for a set period of time. Motion sensors don't work quite well in some situations when you're like sitting very still, watching TV or reading a book. If you want another way to detect presence, you can check out a Bluetooth proximity sensor, which basically tracks your distance away from the Bluetooth tracker. One last thing I want to share is dimming your smart bulbs or light strips. There's a difference of energy consumption if a bulb is running at 100% brightness versus one that is running at just 50%. So during the evening time, you can have light switch on at a lower brightness and gradually increase when it reaches like at 8 p.m. Then maybe after 11 p.m, you can start to reduce the brightness again before heading to bed. The idea of having a smart home is not just about bringing convenience, it is also a lot about optimizing energy usage. Once you have all your lights, appliances, devices, or anything that will draw power becoming smart, then you are able to start saving energy, which also leads to saving money as well. The general idea is to switch things off when not in use, dim the lights when you don't need them to be so bright, and also air conditioner to automatically adjust based on room temperature. So I feel everyone can contribute in some ways. Even the smallest things can accumulate to have a huge impact. Alright, that's all I'd like to share in this video. Hope you have enjoyed watching this. There will be more smart home videos coming up next. See you in the next one. Bye.